Hey, I'm going to show you guys some tools we've been making for the Ableton Move. This project is called Move Extended. It's a web server that just runs on your device on another port right next to the Move Manager, so you can access it from a web browser. One of the features we have is set restoration, so I have this set on my device. And if I come to my Move Manager, I can go to my sets and I see it here. I can go ahead and download it. Once I have it downloaded, it's now archived on my laptop, so I can actually go ahead and just delete it from my device, which is kind of scary. But now I have nothing on my Move, and I can come here and I can say, you know what, I'm going to put it back on pad 10, which is going to be right here. Give it a color of 7, and I'll choose what I just downloaded and say cool, upload, and there it is. It's back there. So you download your sets, you can restore them. Other thing we have is a slice kit. So slicing is something that was added recently in a beta on the device itself, but I can choose a file and I can, from the web server running on my Move, see a waveform, preview parts, and I can come in here and I can use my mouse and actually just adjust the slices. If I want to, I can download a preset and share it, or I can save it directly on the Move. So if you do this here, come into my set, I'm going to go ahead and choose the kit that we just made, go to my user presets, and this is called Tower of Power. So sliced on the device. Next thing we have is the chord kit. So Move doesn't have a chord mode, but I can take a preset. So let's take something like this, and if I upload it to the tool, it'll generate a bunch of chord samples based on that. And I can change what chords I want, and I can do the same thing. I can save it here. And so if I come in and I actually find it on my device, here we go. Super fun. Next thing we have is the drum rack inspector. So I've got another kit on here on my device, this Vox Go. If I load it here, you can hear it on my device. You can also here click on any of these, get a preview of it. I can download it, but then I can also reverse any of these. So here's this here. Reverse. Creates a reversed version of that, and then if I come here and I just reload this preset, have reversed samples there. The other thing I can do is I can take any sample that's on the device already. So if I come to my samples, I've got this clap. Here in the tool, I can choose that file and generate a reversed version. There we go. Come back here and refresh it. And there it is. Reverse version I can use in a kit or on a sampler, whatever I want. So yeah, all of this is available on GitHub. There's instructions on how to install it. There's information about other stuff we found out about the Move. This is all unofficial. We're not Ableton. We're just some people just making fun stuff for the device. Come chat with us. We have a Discord. Ask questions, give feedback. We'd love to hear it. Have fun.